What's up guys? In this video, we are going to see the easiest way to make splash screen in Flutter. Animated Splash Screen is a package that allows us to make splash screen quicker with animations. Create the app. In the Material App widget, add Animated Splash Screen widget. In the Splash property we can add either image, icon, GIF or anything we need. For time, I'm using Flutter logo. Set duration and add the app in Next Screen property. We can use Splash Transition and Page Transition for animations.